Here we have the Ritron Q Series call box, and it's available in either black or green. And the reason we call it compact is because compared to our Callbox XT, it is significantly smaller. You can see this one is a little more durable, and it's got a stainless steel front, fiberglass back, but function-wise, they're pretty similar. This one is available in various versions. If you have UHF radios, there's a UHF version, VHF version, and this one is the MERS call box, and MERS is 5 frequencies signed by the FCC that do not require licenses. So we have them already programmed with channel number 1 in it, and they'll match our MERS radios, which you can get a handheld or base stations, and those are also pre-programmed, so you really don't need to do anything outside of apply power to it all, and it should work. This call box is available in a version with a relay and without a relay. And what the relay does is it can connect through this wiring harness, which is an option on this call box. And the wiring harness allows not only power, if you want to apply 12 volts, external 12 volts, you'll need this harness. But these units do come with a 3D battery holder, so you can put 3D batteries in, and they're good for up to 10,000 transmissions. But back to this, there's a couple other wires on here. If you want to open up a gate or a door, we have the ability to connect 2 of these wires to your gate or door. And then there are buttons on a couple of our intercoms, like this handheld plus a base station, that allow you to press a button to activate that relay. There are also sensor inputs in here, so if you want the call box to send or activate, or to send a message of some sort, you can use a motion sensor or something else like that. And the one with the relay in it does have voice messages as well, so you could record your own voice messages in there to say when someone comes up to it, presses the call button, they can get a custom greeting can sound on to the call box. Or it could transmit some kind of a message. So say if you've got call boxes at various gates around your property and you want to know which one's calling in, it could transmit a message like that. And then using the switch sensor, you could also, if that's triggered, you could also have it send a message as well. This call box mounts in 2 different ways. It comes with these brackets on it, and you can see they just screw to the back, and then they allow you to screw it up to a wall or any flat surface. And then there's the gooseneck pole mount version. This requires an optional bracket, so you apply that bracket, and then it's got the standard gooseneck pole mount pattern on the back of it. So inside the call box, you can see here's the battery holder where the 3D batteries go, and this one has an internal antenna inside of it, so you do not that makes it more vandal proof. Of course, this one is also water and weather resistant, and this plastic is pretty durable. It's very, very tough. Not quite as durable as our vandal proof Callbox XT, but it's I think it could take a pretty good beating. And inside there's a programming button, but like I say, we already have them programmed if you're buying the MERS version of it. So there really isn't a lot you need to do inside here. If for some reason you do want to extend range, there is an antenna connector, and we do have an external antenna cable that would need to be applied to use that, and that routes the cable outside the box. And that could give you a little better range. But this one also already has a really good range, probably the best of all the call boxes. Just a simple fact that there's no metal on it, so it can transmit a little better. Plus, I believe the engineers have done a good job of extending the range on these a little bit. As with all call boxes, they have the instructions right on front to tell you how to use it. So it's very simple. Pretty much just press a button to talk, release to listen.